Today, we're going to go through how you can build an AI automation in make.com that takes a lead's email, scrapes their website, uses AI to come up with a personalized outreach message, and then saves it back into your CRM or your database so that you can then use it in your cold emails. So the way it works is pretty simple, but we're going to go through it step by step. So it all starts with pulling your lead information out of your database or your CRM. So you're using your CRM, you want to replace that here. For this example, I'm just using Airtable. So what I'm doing here is I'm just pulling out a list of emails from Airtable. And basically what I'm doing here is every time there's a new row added to my database, a new lead or new email added to my database, this automation will get triggered. First step is getting Perplexity to just find the website for the email address. Now you don't have to use Perplexity for this. You can just use regex. The reason I like to use Perplexity here, and I haven't done it here just to keep the example simple, is I like to also get Perplexity to find some other facts about the individual person, right? So maybe where that person went to school, that person's past professional history. Anyways, once you've got the company website, you can use a tool like Dumpling AI to scrape the website itself. Now, the reason we don't get this sort of website data straight from Perplexity is we want the raw website data so that we can use our own prompt to then come up with something a lot more customized. So here I'm using GPT-4o, and the prompt I'm using is sort of relatively straightforward. I'm getting it to do two things. One is extract structured data on the lead, and then two, come up with a personalized outreach message. Now, this is sort of where you would pass in the detail I talked about earlier, where you would want the company's website, but also other details around the individual person. And then if you wanted to, you could have another Perplexity module here that researches the company as well. And then you have the actual text from the company's landing page. Putting all of that together lets you come up with some super targeted, super personalized outreach messages. Once you've done all that, you just need to save it back into your CRM or your database. So in this case, I'm just saving it back into Airtable. Nothing too fancy here, just saving it back in there. So basically, once I have this automation, every time there's a new lead, it automatically gets enriched, researched, and then has a personalized outreach message, and then saved back into the database. Now imagine this was a CRM, so HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce. Every time there's a new lead, imagine that a personalized outreach message gets added to that lead in your CRM automatically. So then when the salesperson picks up the lead, they can just put that personalized message right into their sort of Outlook, Gmail, whatever they're using, and send it. And then obviously, if you're doing it sort of at scale, cold email at scale, there are automated systems for that as well. But either way, a personalized outreach message makes a huge difference to open rates, click rates, and just conversion rates. Now, if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave a comment below.